I live safety, I enforce safety, and I want safety done every day. When you're ready to move, you give a beep to start it, but you always look 360 degrees around to make sure nobody's around you before you start off.
Motor vehicle accidents are the top cause of injuries in and around the worksite, with over 800 worker fatalities in the US each year alone. Collision warning radar, first introduced 15 years ago, has not kept up with the changing work environments. More distractions, higher tempo, and bigger blind spots. Today's drivers and equipment operators need a new solution.
Sometimes operators get sensory overload. You're trying to watch your blade, you're trying to watch the dirt, you're trying to watch for people. In busy environments, you can hardly get any work done because you're so busy trying not to run over people.
Hoplo by Spartan is made for commercial fleets by engineers who helped build the most advanced fighter jets in the world. Hoplo was a Spartan warrior's shield, and that's what our military-grade tech delivers for customers.
One of the coolest things that we have going on with Hoplo, not only is it going to save lives, but it's actually made a little differently than other sensors. It's a smaller footprint, super rugged. It also supports segments as well as zones. So what that means is if you're out there driving, we can tell you if it's in left, right, or center. That's really important, especially in an environment like this, because if you don't know where the object is, you might miss one person coming into your right while someone else is leaving on the left. It eliminates driver targeting and reduces accidents, and that's what we're here to do.
While vision systems are an important part of the solution, big vehicles mean big blind spots, and traditional radars often fail to detect static objects. This worker is about to get lost in a blind spot, but Hoplo detects his position and protects his safety. Hoplo supports all conditions, full surround, slow-moving, and static object detection, and integrates with many existing vision systems.
As a supervisor, safety is a personal deal. I really think this would be a game changer. You can concentrate on what you're doing and not have to worry what's behind you because you'll be alerted.
Are you ready to see firsthand how Hoplo can improve safety, productivity, and your bottom line? Contact one of our Hoplo team members today.